welcome back to my channel. There's a solo here. About to do an unveiling on this little Mini Cooper. Let's go check it out. How's your day going? My day's going good. Everybody's signing up. Got a little bit of Mini Z racing going. Okay, here we go. 176 scale turbo racing, ready to run. Check it out. Now, 176 scale, about as big as a Hot Wheels car, maybe a penny racer. That's what they got going on there. Nice. It's got a USB charger. Comes with a few extra bodies, which I'll probably have one of my friends paint because he does pretty good painting. I think they're doing an unveiling right now. Let's go walk over there real quick and then we'll come right back over here.
But then I like to keep them.
Yeah. Sick. That's dope. I love that. That is nice.
Yeah.
That's something. Someone else is going to do that now.
Friend, the company.
If you're in Dallas, you need some work. Look it up. Wow, who's happy camper, huh? Ooh, buddy. Michelin. Dude, this guy, Rob, that's who's going to do the paint job on that Mini Z. That is nice. Nice.
Look at even the
Oh, yeah.
green screen.
The sun visor thing. That looks good. Whew. All right. Well, don't scratch her. Don't race her. Oh, no, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Exactly. Yes, we would be. All right. Let's get back on it. Of course, now we know who's going to be painting that. I'll just go hand that off to Brock and have him do something for me. Maybe with the other one, I'll do something myself. What comes inside is a cool little remote, a few pieces. You got your USB charger, and you got some instructions. Oh, by Asia Tees. Nice. The dealer's Asia Tees. It gets this. You got a little your 100% ready to run model. Obviously, you just need to charge it and get 4 AA batteries inside this thing. Let's see. Oh, AAA. There's some AAAs in there. I got some. These Orions. Oh, these would be better. GBLs. Has a little sticker inside indicating which one is up. Others go down. Stick it on. Tap it on. On. Off. Go ahead and unstick this. Fairly simple. Pop the body off. I hate to break things the first time right when you get it. I hate instructions, but I can see that there's a little clip there maybe. There, pull it right through. Charging cord. We'll charge it up and get it to go.
Got one more to show you that's actually
Some remotes do come colored. We have this orange one that came with another one, so some maybe you'll get lucky, some I really don't know how they determine which color you're going to get. I just can't find it. Where's your copper one, bud? Does the orange one come with the copper one?
No, well, I mean, my orange one was the copper one. I
Okay.
painted it.
So the orange came with orange, right?
Yeah.
The orange came with some orange. My green came with the black. That's what I said. Where's your copper? Your Cooper. Your Mini Cooper. It's not here, bud. Okay. We found it. Don't worry, anybody. They are small. And this is one that Rock did. You can see it's a copper Cooper.
Corvette.
It's a penny. It's got Lincoln on it. There you go. Now let's see how they go. Alright, so I got the batteries in. It's got a little indicator light here. Oops. Right there. It lets you know that it's on. And the lights work. If you have the remote off, they just blink. Put the remote on. And we know we got connection. We check left, right. Proportional steering. Rear wheel. And we start racing. Or crashing. See how we do. Oh, circle one, circle two. How about we try to do some laps and see who's the winner? Let's start right here next to the green car, guys. And we'll give it a try. We'll do 10 laps.
10 laps?
10, okay.
I should go
How
get
many
my,
laps?
Sean, I should go get my custom body.
Okay, ready? No, not yet. But next time. On your mark. 10 laps. Get set. Go. That's one.
Wait, mine? Why is
Uh-oh.
mine slow? Alejandro!
I don't know. Maybe your battery. Fix them. Flip. Reverse. Go.
I'm the one that...
Looks like the track got busted up real quick. Take those off. Put these two back. Go, go, go. How many laps is who's on
I
what?
have no idea.
I think I'm on 3.
I'm on 3. I think I'm on 3. I'm on 3 right now.
Not bad. This is something fun you could play on your desk table or computer table, or coffee table,
Any table.
any table.
Even on the ground.
Definitely on the ground.
See that pass, Alejandro?
All right.
Yum.
Oh, look at that. I'm on the outside, bud. Oh, you took the inside.
No! I can't see it.
I'm going the opposite way. I'm the lime green. Or you're the lime green.
Instant drag brake.
Pretty
Instant
fun
drag
to
brake.
handle.
It's crazy.
Pretty fun. Oh, he went off.
Hey, this guy.
Pretty fun to drive, I'd have to say.
Get out of the way.
But the nice thing about it is you just got to go ahead and use your little USB port and charge it back up and you're good to go again. Got 2 extra bodies, so I can't see it being a bad buy for anybody just to get into the hobby. Love this little thing. I can't wait to see what my cover or new shell looks like after I get it back from Rock.
We should just play bumper cars.
Yeah.
Sumo?
Well,
Are we doing sumo?
we're gonna sit here and play some bumper cars.
Let's do some
Really
sumo.
enjoy
Whoever
you
gets
guys
knocked out.
catching-
Hold on. Hold on.
Touching in, catching in. Thanks. You guys have a good night.
Put him in the corner.
Good day. Good morning.